Yo YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Kinezy Mobile here, guys, and in today's video we're going to take a look at the Tommy gun in Bullet Force, guys. Primary weapon here. As you guys already know from my previous video, I didn't actually own this gun. I've got a account of someone else who owns all of the gold exclusive guns so that I can review them for you guys. Great guy. Just let him use his account. Yeah, so today I want to bring you guys a review / best class setup of the Tommy gun. So guys, my first opinion of this gun is that it is super overpowered, guys. Basically, just think of the SCAR. So it's got a decent amount of recoil, but really, really good damage. That's basically what the Tommy gun is, except the Tommy gun's got an extra 20 bullets in the magazine, I'm pretty sure. Because, I don't remember how much the SCAR has. I'm pretty sure it's got like 30, but the Tommy gun's got a solid 50 bullets in the magazine. It's like a 3-hit kill, and it's got 50 bullets in the mag, so you can get some solid feeds, mate. Like you can take out like an entire team just with one magazine, guys. But yeah, this gun is really, really good. So as you see, it's not only one of the most powerful guns in the game, but in my opinion, it's one of the best looking guns in the game. Like, that wood just looks so nice on the side and stuff. Really, really quality stuff, guys. But yeah, let's get into the best class setup. So guys, as you can see, the perks, I've got Rapid Draw, Accelerate, and Undetectable. These are just regular perks. You can't use the suppressor on this, and I feel like when getting a nuke with this gun, it is better to use a suppressor. But you can't, so that's why I've used Undetected. It's basically the same as using a suppressor, because no one can see on the video, but it also helps you when they have UAVs. And then my secondary that I've chosen is the Deagle, guys. As you know, the Deagle is also not a free-to-play weapon. It does cost real money, so if you don't have the Deagle, just go for the Glock 18. I pretty much put the Glock 18 on my main account with every single class setup that I have because I don't have the Deagle. But if you do have the Deagle, use the Deagle. It's just better version. Then the throwable is the M6, the 7 frag. That's pretty much just whatever, guys. I just use that because I'm not that good at using any of the other ones. And the kill streaks are the UAV, the advanced UAV, and the nuke. And yeah, guys, let's just get straight into a nuclear gameplay. Now it's going to be Kinezy Mobile signing out.